Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can rank website on Google first page. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. There are many ways to promote and rank your website on Google's first page, but the most effective way is by using effective SEO. In order to find trending topics and words, follow the steps. First of all, open any type of browser on your PC or laptop and search for Google Keyword Planner. Open the first website and click on Go to Keyword Planner button. Also make sure to log in using your Google account and you will be redirected to the homepage of Google Keyword Planner. You can see that we are in the Keyword Planner. Simply click on Discover New Keywords. Then open a new tab and start by typing in an incomplete topic, like food recipes, and copy any of the suggested topics. Now paste the text into the Google Keyword Planner and press enter. Repeat this process for a couple of topics and give the Keyword Planner a go. After clicking on Get Results, you can see that there are various topics that match with our topic. You just need to go to the topic that has low competition and use it in your website. And that's how you can rank website on Google first page. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.